The next one is create index. So how to create an index in PostgreSQL? So Postgres has a standard way to create an index. When I said it is a SQL standard, so Postgres follow SQL standard. So here is a link, www.postgresql.org has a documentation where you can see the detail of how to create an index. But I will give you some small example to clarify your thoughts. So create index, IDX, B tree. You can name it any name. On bar is a table and ID is a column. So here I have created an index IDX underscore B tree on table bar column ID. So similarly, index has its own physical disk like a table. So it has the same mechanism to get the name of the file on the disk. Select rel file node to run the same query from the PT class where rel name is equal to idx underscore b tree, and we will get the rel file node, which is a actual physical file. So here we have created a file, and you can go to PT data directory and you can see the physical file in a PT data directory. So that's it. It has some data. You can see some data here. Why? Because we have a created on index on a table which already have some data. So this index have some size. Index file have some size. So we have created index. So you can create an index on a single column. You can create an index on multi-column. So here we are creating an index, the same example. Create index bar underscore idx on bar. ID is a column. And then when you select something from that table and the planner select that index because its cost is low. So it selects index for you, which is bar underscore idx, similar name you have used while you're creating your index. So here bar is a table and ID is a column. So the second one is we have already created an index. Now we already know index is a very costly operation. Why? Because it locks the table. When you are creating a table, so in that time it will lock the table. So it will not allow you to delete and update anything in that table. That's a problem. That's a problem. So Postgres has solved that problem. If you add create index concurrently, a word concurrently, and other syntax is the similar. So no change. Just in between the name of the index and the word index, you just put concurrently. It will create an index concurrently. It will not lock your table, and it will allow you to insert data into the table. It will allow you to update into the table. It will allow you to delete some data from the table while you are creating a concurrent index into another terminal. That's beauty, but it has a problem. Why? If you have seen in this example, when we have created an index without concurrently, it took only 12 seconds. Okay, but when I use similar index on the same table concurrently, it took 23 seconds, almost double the time. But the advantage is it will not lock your table, but it will take more time to create an index. So here, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell to receive all the notification on the future lessons. Take the full course and pass the quiz in our Google class to get the certificate.